Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This here is Casarah B. If you're new, welcome, 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 welcome. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below for your sis, alright? This here is going to be a different type of content today. So I will be showing you how to clean your makeup brushes. So my bad for not coming back right away. I just started a new job at an eye clinic. I am an optical lab technician and an optician. So I started a new job and I'm still training at the new clinic. So bear with me while I push out content for y'all. So here's today how you're going to clean your makeup brushes. I know that we get all this buildup. I know sometimes that we get makeup all packed in our brushes, and over time it just sticks and stains the brushes, but I'm gonna show you how to clean these bad boys. So the things that you're gonna need to clean your brushes to get bacteria out and to keep them clean and to keep them from staining, I'm gonna show y'all just 1 second. Main thing y'all gonna need is some paper towels. You're gonna need some paper towels, okay? Lots of it, okay? Next thing you're gonna need is 91% alcohol. You could get this at Walgreens, Target, CVS, wherever your drugstores are. It has to be 91%. You could try 70%, but 91% will get the job done. Now, I'm gonna show you 2 ways of cleaning it. You can use Cetaphil, like the makeup remover cleansing stuff. You know, like that water, that, you know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But basically this is to remove like makeup or eye makeup and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you 2 ways of how to get your brushes clean. You're gonna need a makeup pad scrubber, Johnson & Johnson's shampoo or bath time body wash, or you could use dish soap. I like to use Johnson & Johnson because it's more softer on the brushes. If you hear my daughter in the background, my bad, because she's talking to her sister. But I like to use Johnson & Johnson because it's more softer on the brushes. And then you're going to need all your dirty brushes. I'm going to start with this one because this is my brush. And I like having built up makeup on my brushes because I feel like sometimes after a week the makeup applies better to me. Got a little eyelash on there, but you know, after a week you gotta wash it out. It got to go, sis. You just can't. So this is how you clean. So here's one way of how to clean your makeup brushes. You're gonna get some paper towels and you're gonna take the Cetaphil and we're gonna dip it on the towel. And I'm going to take a different brush. Matter of fact, I'm going to take a smaller brush because sometimes with the makeup water remover, I feel like it leaves an oil on, or an oil residue on the brushes. But it gets the work done too though. So here's one way of how to remove the makeup off your brushes. This will also save you mad time on cleaning your brushes and versus just putting them in the water, putting soap on the brushes and cleaning them. Nah, we ain't got time for that. Okay, you got clients to do, you want your makeup beat for the next day or whatnot, period. So we're gonna take the makeup brush and we're gonna put it on the Cetaphil and on the paper towel, and we're gonna get out as much as we can. Okay, boom. Okay, it's out of there. Like I said, it still kind of leaves that oil residue. But once you wash it, you gotta wash it, all right, to get that oil residue out of the brushes. But it gets the job done. It gets the makeup out of the brushes completely. Here's another way. We're gonna take this 91% alcohol, right? We're gonna take the alcohol and we're gonna douse the napkin. And what I like to do is take the makeup brush and kind of drown the makeup brush in the alcohol as well. So then you're going to take the brush and it got most of it out. Now what I like to do is keep putting alcohol on it to get more of the foundation out of the brush, because sometimes it'll stick inside the brushes. You want to get that out of there. We don't want that. We don't want the makeup in there. Plus, dead skin cells are in the brush. You know, sometimes built up bacteria can get in the brush from it sitting too long, or you keep reusing it. You want to make sure that if you are doing makeup on your clients, you want to make sure that your brushes are clean as freaking possible, and I mean that. Get it as clean as possible. Alright, so this is how I clean my makeup brushes, especially like the big brushes with all the packed in foundation. We want to get that out. We got to get that out. You don't want your clients breaking out or anything like that, because there's still makeup left in the brush. See that? So then what you're going to do next, turn it on lukewarm water. You're going to wet the brush. Okay? I like to wet my pad sometimes. Going to wet the brush. We're going to put a couple pumps, or maybe just one pump, in there. And we're going to clean this bad boy. See how it's getting more of the makeup out of there? It's getting more because there's still more in there. So that's why I like to take the alcohol, because it doesn't leave the oil residue, and then it takes you a little bit longer to clean out the, you know, the Cetaphil out of the brushes, because you still, I hate a oily residue on my brushes. So it takes a little bit longer to get the makeup out of the brushes, but I love using 91% alcohol because it completely gets the bacteria or the dead skin cells and the built up makeup out of your brushes. So we're going to keep cleaning it, keep cleaning it, keep cleaning it until it's completely clean. Now mind you, I'm not brushing that hard on this pad. It just may seem like it, but I'm not. And what I like to do is keep cleaning the brush until I feel like the suds are completely white. And it's getting to that point where it's completely white. Then what I like to do, just take it, completely just clean it out. And look at that. There's nothing in the brush. There's nothing in that brush at all. No residue, no leftovers, no soap, and it smells good. So that's how you clean your brushes. I'm gonna do one more brush for y'all, okay? I'm gonna do one more brush. This is one of my brushes that I use for like my concealer instead of a sponge. That's also a good way to clean your sponges, is with alcohol too. You could douse it with alcohol. So like so, again, gonna take our brush, take the alcohol, and it automatically gets it out of there. See that? And I like to take the alcohol on the brushes sometimes too. And look at that. There's nothing in the brush. So now we're going to turn on the water again. Pump of the Johnson's soap with the brush and completely clean it. See, this brush wasn't that bad. I think with the Johnson & Johnson soap, it keeps the brushes more soft instead of, you know, the hard soap on it be so harsh on the bristles of the brush. I just like it like this. And then I like to squeeze it a little bit to see if there's any soap in there. Shake it. And voila, there's nothing in there. Nothing at all. Just a clean brush. I'm gonna do one more for y'all. Remember that one we used to clean with the Cetaphil water makeup remover? Now what this? Gonna put a little pump in there. My daughter is so loud, y'all. My bad. And we're going to clean it. Now with the bigger brushes, if you do decide to use the Cetaphil makeup remover, make sure to clean it a little bit longer, because it's gonna, as long as it still has that oily residue, you want to keep cleaning it until that comes out. Yes, it'll leave your brushes soft. Even with the Johnson & Johnson soap, it still leaves the brushes soft, but you can still feel the oily residue on here. So like this one, because it's a smaller brush, I don't feel it on there. So we're going to take it, shake it out, and again, no makeup residue, not even between the brushes. I like to make sure that the makeup is completely out of there, because I have clients, so once I apply the brushes, I don't want leftover makeup inside the bristles. I want those completely gone. That's why I use the 91% alcohol. And as a backup, then I use this, you know. But I still feel like it leaves oil residue, but it still gets the job done just like the 91%. I just think that the 91% gets out more bacteria, more dead skin cells, all that stuff. So my best bet is to go with this. And because it's, you know, we're still quarantined somewhat, and we're still going through the COVID-19 situation, a lot more people is buying up 91% alcohol as hand sanitizer. So try to catch it, get it at the store, buy a couple bottles. It's not that much. I think it's like $5 or less. So that's how you get your brushes clean. All spick and span clean. Now you ready for your clients, or you ready to beat your face for the next day. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you guys have ways of cleaning out your makeup brushes, let me know. I want to try some new things, some new hacks on how to clean makeup brushes. But this is my best go-to way on how to clean my brushes, because this is all I know, and I think this works the best. Out of every YouTube video I've seen, I have yet to find anything that gets the brushes completely clean, looking brand spanking new. I've done the hot water boiling method with the vinegar, the steel vinegar. It leaves my brushes stinking. Not only that, it has ruined the handles to my brushes, you know, like up here. So I've been having to throw a few of those away. I was like, let me just figure out another way on how to clean my brushes. So I decided to come up with these two, you know. But this is my go-to. This is my go-to, using this first, then cleaning it with this, because it's not as harsh on the brushes. And especially applying it to your clients, your brushes to your client's face, or your face for that matter. This prevents you from having breakouts, anything like that. So like I said, you guys, this here is Casarah B. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another one.